This is Lola being introduced to a lamb that we bottle fed. She was very close to death, but thankfully she made it. I am supervising very closely in case anything goes wrong. I'm right there to break them up. This is my son Marcelo, trying to get in on the action. He loves animals. Of course, Lola's just watching what's going on. She's always a part of everything we do. What are you going to do, Marcelo? You're going to make fire? Is that why you're getting all those sticks? Yeah? You scared of the stick, Lola? It's just a stick. Are you scared of the shadows? Scared of the shadow the ground's making? You gonna fly down? Yeah, you're not too crazy about that stick, huh, Lola?